Subscribe to my channel.
Okay guys, so this will be the second to the last video on array. So if you are just tuning in, please guys subscribe. This will be the second to the last video. After that, we'll be mixing our array with some loop and trying to find something out for ourselves. All right, now after this video, now guys, without further ado, this is CodeWithTec, your #1 coding hub where we simplify coding. Okay, so guys, please, if you are new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed, guys, please hit the subscription button. Please subscribe, guys, please subscribe. Now without further ado, we will be going into few other things about array. We're going to be working on the pop, we're going to be working on the shift, and we're going to be working with the on-shift items as well. So we'll just get rid of these things quickly. These are all things of our past lesson. All right, now we want to work with pop. All right, when we talk about arrays pop, we are talking about removing the last item. All right, now how do we use array pop? Now if I say fruit, all right, and then I say dot pop, all right, and say parenthesis. Now if I do this to the array, all right, now what we expect to happen here is that it's going to get rid of the last item within the array. Now so let's take the length of our array first and see. We'll say console.log. okay, we say fruit the length. all right, we save this. In our past lesson, we realized that the first length of our array were 6. all right, it was 6. Now I'm going to inspect this, come to the console log. Now we have 3. all right, now if you look at the array, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. all right, we have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that console the log fruit only. all right, that console the log fruit only, and cut back to our browser, refresh it. all right, now if you see here, we have apple, we have banana, and we have orange, but we don't have pineapple. all right, if you see here, we have pineapple here. all right, we have pineapple here. all right, but if we look in it, after popping out, we pop out the last array. all right, we pop out the last array. okay, now let us try another thing. okay, let's try another thing. Now we'll try another thing, saying that we want to shift. all right, we want to shift into the array. Now to shift into the array, we want to say fruit the shift. all right, and save this. Now if we come back to our browser and refresh, good, now we are left out with banana and orange. We have 2 items within the array. The length of the array is 2 items, and in here we have banana is just 0, orange is 1, and the length of the array is 2. all right, the prototype is array. all right, now this is our entire understanding on what we are doing now. So we learn how to take the first item from the array and the last item from the array. Now the next thing we want to do here, we want to add item at the start of the array. all right, now how can we do this? We want to say this is saying remove from the remove item at the end of the array. Copy this, come down here, so this will remove item from the end of the array, and this will remove item from the start of the array. all right, so go quickly. Another thing, the last thing we'll be doing will be saying fruit and say dot on shift, right, and then we're going to place in an item. all right, we'll say mango. Very good. And save this. Now we have placed in another item now, but this is what we are adding to the array. We are adding to the start of the array. All right, now if we open this out, we refresh this. Now we have 3 items. We have added mango come first. All right, mango come first. All right, now instead of having just 2 items, now we have 3 items. If I open this out, we have mango at 0 place, banana at this first place, and orange at the second place. Now 0, 1, 2. All right, now the length of the array is 3. Okay, good. Now with that being said, we have concluded our 3 key word for today. That is array pop, array swift, array on swift. All right, those are the 3 things we have completed for today. So guys, thank you very much for sticking around. I guess we are passing our hands and our mind around arrays, understanding some things about it. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope that we learned something from this. If you have any comment, please drop it in the comment section and I will be happy to reply to your comment. So guys, I'll see you all in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe, guys. Please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next.
Subscribe to my channel.